Rocco. I love
Rocco and Jules.
Ears. Rocco and Jules. And then we also have John and Nina here from the Collierville Animal Shelter. They're the people. And Rocco and Jules.
Today we really want to talk about dogs. Just dogs. At the Collierville Animal Shelter, when a dog comes in, we don't discriminate. You know, small, medium, large, pit bulls, chihuahuas, Labrador retrievers. We take the dog and we want to know their personalities. And so we do adopt out pit bulls in our shelter. We have a lot of people that call us and ask that question. And little Jules here, I will tell you, well, they're really both low maintenance today, but she just wants to be loved. She is so sweet. She's very good with other dogs. Rocco today has just a little bit of an attitude towards her, so, you know.
That's why Rocco keeps looking that way.
Yes, he's totally dismissing her because they haven't had their first date yet, and we've thrown them together. He's Italian, so he believes in romance.
Italiano.
And we didn't have that romance yet. But Jules actually ran from all of us. John, I think, put more hours chasing her in than anybody else, but we all chased her down for a month. Somebody had let her go and abandoned her in Collierville, and we finally trapped her in a humane trap, and we found out how wonderful she was. She would be, if anybody has anxiety or sad or lonely, this is the dog for you because she just wants to be loved and hugged and have her face rubbed.
I feel for her.
She is 2 to 3 years of age, and like I said, very good. Rocco is a smaller version.
Rocco.
And so if you're looking for a smaller dog, we were playing out in the lobby.
Oh, my goodness.
He's a little intimidated here on stage, but we were playing, and he's very energetic. He is 2 to 3 years of age. And let's remember that all of our shelters need for you to go out and adopt the pets.
What a snuggler.
We're all crowded right now. It's puppy and kitten season, so we're all very crowded. So please, if you're considering adopting a pet, go to your nearest animal shelter, or definitely we'd like you to come out and see us in Collierville. These animals will be available at the Animals on the Avenue today from 1 to 4.
Okay.
And, of course, we're there at the shelter from 1 to 4.
Rocco, I had to turn you around.
Next Sunday, we're having our Easter bag hunt. 1:30, so please go on our Facebook page, Friends of the Collierville Animal Shelter, or our petfinder.com to learn more about our special events.
I am loving Rocco. You can call the Collierville Animal Shelter at 901-457-2670 or go to collierville.petfinder.com. Rocco is a burrower.
Oh, he's a cuddle bunny.
Oh my goodness!
But so is Jules. She's being very well behaved here.
Say bye,
She's
Rocco.
laid
You're
back.
so shy. All right. Well, thank you for coming in, and we'll be right back with your forecast, which I hear is dog walking weather.
Did you know that colon cancer is a